Ever heard the phrase, you don't know what you don't know? This phrase is especially applicable when selling your home. Because buying or selling a home is something that most people do only 2 or 3 times in a lifetime, there are things that they are completely unaware of. They simply don't know what they don't know. These free email tips will make it so much easier for you to avoid making costly home seller mistakes. And they're free because it's my way of adding value to your life, whether we choose to work together in the future or not. Here's my first tip. Don't over-upgrade. Quick fixes before selling your home always pay off. Mammoth makeovers, on the other hand, not so much. You probably won't get your money back if you do a huge improvement project before you put your house on the market. Instead, do updates that will pay off and get you top dollar. Get a new fresh coat of paint on the walls. Clean the curtains or go buy some inexpensive new ones. Replace door handles and cabinet hardware. Make sure closet doors are on track. Fix leaky faucets and clean the grout. Things like that. If you are wondering what upgrades you may want to make, if you want to know what buyers are looking for in your area and what improvements will give you the competitive edge, if you want to know what to do and more importantly what not to do to maximize your sale price and net proceeds, send me a message and I'll be delighted to answer any questions you may have. And please, before you make any big expensive improvements, check with me and I can tell you what the average return on investment is for almost every improvement. I'm here to help on your team, helping you sell your home for top dollar.